Hello viewers, how are you? Today I will show you a simple matter, which is how to change the time and date. You are seeing you can change the date from here. You cannot change the date from here. See, so from where you want to change this one, first you have to go to the start menu here, Windows menu, go to here, then you have to go to these settings, then you have to go to the time and language. Here you are seeing set time automatically on, so you can change this by off. Okay, so now you will get this option, change, then you can set your time and date from here. Okay, I'm setting this, it is 13, it is 2019, but I don't want to change like here, like this. I want to change this set time automatically, and I am changing by this one, time zone. I am in Bangladesh region, so I'm changing this with Bangladesh region. I am in Dhaka, so I'm setting this as Dhaka. So you are seeing this automatically change the date and time. You can also change the date and time format, like here, first day is Sunday, short day you have change the dates sorting. Sorry. So by this way you can change your time and date. How easy is this? Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and if you want to get more and more videos from me, you can suggest me which video you want. I can make that type of video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to get immediate video from me, then press on the bell icon. Thank you all.